Yeah, 2-horse town. In this 2-horse town. In this 2-horse town. In this 2-horse town. Yeah, fan 4, Black Ops. They don't wanna hear conscious ish. I'm just stating the obvious. They ain't wanna hear common sense before we work with Kanye West. You ever pay your mama's rent with hip hop props in pocket lint? You can save your much respect. Just cut the check. The real is we all alone and saving stuff that's not our own. The reals is spinning, but they've been turned off our microphones. Soon as I mention kids without homes, to try and cop a crib without loans. Your voice too high, switch to alto. Now the ladies like it, sing soprano. Sick of assholes. Now I collect dishes past old. I was just trying to throw kids to bad hoes to live in bad homes and picking banjos and spitting fast flow until they chop out and screwed it. That's how they start to screw us. Everything sounding stupid. I'm wishing out for movement in any direction. Seems the current events need plenty protection from the cabinet, senate, delegate, or any election. Remember the next fight's important as the first fight. To stand up and be proud for what a Lord calls a birthright.
Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. We losing time, player. Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. It's more than rhymes, hater. Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. We losing time, player. Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. It's more than rhymes, hater.
I'm a hot-tempered bomb threat sender who needs to be bilingual. I'm plenty sick with 26 letters. That evidence has been registered at law as the King Cobra, with Polaroids of me attacking victims in manila folders. I'm from Strong Island with a mean backstroke, but I had to ever since the day Chris told me the bridge is over. I like cream in my coffee till I switch to mocha. They let me bust vanilla beans on my sofa, and I'ma be blunt, cause y'all as green as the Doja. You fighting for peace like daydreams of a soldier. And Queen Bee told ya, anyone can get locked up, even if they fnick out some B.I.G. rollers. I rock a show in a Walmart white tee toe up, cause it's hip-hop when we roll up. The broken, the forlorn, unite in a fight with war horns, blaring throughout the speakers as we walk on.
Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. We losing time, player. Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. It's more than rhymes, hater. Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. We losing time, player. Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. It's more than rhymes, hater.
The game is ours. Your training bras get snapped, smacked away from flames by laws exact. Precise with tracks, nice with wax we do. Fight with bats and lightning sabers flash. Wake up radio shows us this or that. If you sell your soul to get some spins, spin around cause hell repeats itself. But where's heaven when we say that life is hell? They call us rappers, say we talk to beats. We talk to beaten victims